Hi everybody, this is Tristan from World English School, and today I'm going to show you some rubber stamps. And these are the rubber stamps. Ami, how do you say rubber stamp in Japanese?
Stamp.
Gamu stamp.
Gomu stamp.
Gamu stamp, I think. I saw it on the internet. So these ones are rubber stamps, and we're going to try this. When I was a child, we used these to have fun. We just would put it on a paper like this. Yeah. 子供に行った時、このガムスタンプっていうかな？ゴムスタンプ。ガムスタンプをよく使ったね。I was playing with this a lot. It's a lot of fun. And at our school, we have more than 100. We have 118があると思うね。このスタンプがね。すごいよ。It's a lot of fun. What I like to do, 好きなことはね、make a scene. だから今、黒いと赤いのインクがあるから、もうシーン、何のセッティングはできますと思いますね。Let me try. Okay, this is a heart. So I'm gonna make a scene with これは何ね？涙? Like a teardrop or something. I don't really know. But the teardrop is gonna fall in love with the bee. 蜂があるから、この涙はこの蜂これの大好きから。And then I like to use, Ami, can you give me some crayons? I'm going to make a nice little piece of art here. I feel like an artist on TV. 今はちょっとテレビのアーティストみたいな。本当にアーティストじゃないけど。Okay, so we're going to do like a love connection here. I don't know why, but this heart, this teardrop and this bee are in love. So let's use the heart again. I'm going to use the red ink. And I'm going to put it over the bee. This is a good way for kids to learn how to use their hands, and it's also a good way to start discussions. So you can make different scenes, and you can speak a lot. だからこのゴムスタンプを使うとき、子供たちは手をよく使うから、もうなんですか、motor skills を学びます。で、英語の言葉も学べる。We always play in English, so we like to use English words when we do our activities. Okay, so now we have a love connection between the bee and the tear. And this is very strange. I don't know where this is going. But we're going to try this. Now I have some black ink. And this one is a little bit small. The ink pad is small, so I have to press 2 times to get this bigger stamp. So now I have ink. I'm going to put some leaves here. Ooh, look at that. And then I'm going to do it one more time. And I'm going to do it here. So koko to koko de yaru. Ooh, I like it. And I'm going to do one more here. Now I have 3 branches. Ooh, I like that. I like it a lot. You know, it doesn't really matter. 何でも作れるのね。アートがね、アートをやるとき、何でもできるですね。So, creative work is the best kind of work because there's no limit and you can do whatever you want. And again, it's perfect for English because English, 英語も、クリエイティブのスタイルで使うとき、何でもシチュエーションで使えるから、このゴムのスタンプも何ですか、何でも作れるから、英語とゴムスタンプはちょっと同じだね。この風にで。In that way, it's the same. Okay, I think I'm finished. I'm happy with my art. So this is just a fun way to start speaking English and to start, doing some fun things. I'm gonna put a little border around there. So just give it a try. やってみて。We have a lot of stamps. We have 葉っぱ We have leaves. Hana, we have flowers. These are Hawaiian. Look, there's a pretty Hawaiian lady. Hawaii no jose kana. And we have some Japanese stamps too. Look, this one is yorokobu. Raku. Is that right? Baku ka raku. Wakannai. Yorokobu, yorokobi. Hei. Nozomi, hope. It's a Japanese stamp. We have a little man on a hanabi, firework. It's cute. And what else do we have? We have a lot of stamps. Oh, look, these are English language stamps. This one says, thank you. So I'm going to put thank you here. これはね、ありがとうって言うから、I'm going to do it there. Look at that. Thank you. And some of these stamps are easy to color. For example, どっちかな? これ? This one here. You can do coloring after you do it. So you put it here, and then after it's empty, もう空っぽだから、何ですか? 塗り絵をできます. I'm gonna make it yellow. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, I like that. Look at the yellow color on the star. Ooh, that's nice. Very nice. On thank you, I could add some lines here. Add some purple lines. That's not as nice. But it's a good way to test. You know something else I like? 他の好きなことはね、一回でプッシュするとき、このインクパッドで、その後で、you can make movement. 動いてるのパターンをできます。例えば、最初で強くでプッシュする。So you have one here, and then you do it again, and again, and again, and again, and again, and again. もう一回やってるとき、もうちょっといなくなってるみたい。It's going away. For animals, for example, maybe what? Like this one, a chocho, butterfly. I could do flying patterns. One more time. You see how I do that? So there's a lot of different ideas that you can use. Look at the art that I made. I have a Nashika namida, a pear or a teardrop, is in love with a hachi or a bee. And you can see the hearts and the line. And then I have some leaves. Happa mo aru kara, chotto love scene mitai. 何のディズニーの映画みたいなこれ。意味わかんないけど、もう that's not the point. The point is just to enjoy. I really enjoy making the story, and I think the children also enjoy that. And it's perfect for English. Look at this. I got a nice frame around here with the blue lines here. When kids have these stamps, you know, any of these stamps, they do amazing work. You don't have to control a child or direct a child. なんですか? manage するはいらないですね。子供のために、子供たちはクリエイティブの考える方があるから、何でもできるですね。with no guidance. なんていうの guidance? No support, no directive.
指示しなくても
何でもできるですね。子供たちは。大人はちょっと違うですね。私たちは、何ですか、教育のシステムに、入りましたから、何ですか、we learn to follow directions and everything. But children are still learning, so they have very open minds. And if you give them a piece of paper, they could make something very creative. 大人たちはちょっと違うですね。私もこれを作ってた時、ちょっとこれは正しいですかと思ったけど、アートを作る時も正しいのコンセプトがないですね。何でもできるから。So, thank you for watching, and I hope that you try doing some creative art. You can use gum stamps, rubber stamps, or you can use drawing. Anything is okay. And anything is a good opportunity for English. 何でもアートのスタイルで英語を使えるから、 やってみてください。And if you don't have ガムスタンプがなれば、ここに来てください。Come to our school, and we'll help you, and we'll play with you and your child. So, again, thank you for watching, and take care. Bye-bye.